LKT Production.
See, I met him on the beach in the summer, it was hot. We were chilling in the island breeze. Then he whispered in my ear, "Mommy, come on over here, let me take you to your fantasy." Should I stay, should I go? 'Cause I've been here before. Open up the door, lay back and let it flow. 'Cause in my head I didn't think that I could fall in love with you. So if we kiss and on the move, am I dreaming? Show me things I never knew, am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
Love of my life, I just wanna take this moment to say things ain't been right since you got my faults and failures on display. And I know you can't take back all the words that we said, and I know we hurt each other sometimes. Still, I know our love is stronger than all the negativity. Baby, just look in my eyes, you know. As long as the sun will shine, honey, I know that you're all I want on my side. And I promise to give everything from my heart. And for you, honey, I'll never lie. I'll never Reminiscing of the day when I didn't know what to say, and I promised come with me. All you flip be my wife for life, through all the struggle and the strife. Without you, baby, I would rather die. I'd rather be another piece of real estate in a desolate place far, far away. And the only sun that shines on me is your face, just to prove my love to you, baby.